KEYone, but in a slightly different color. This is the Bronze Edition. The phone itself has the same specs as before, so that includes things like the Snapdragon 625 processor, you have the 4.5-inch 1620 by 1080 display, same 12-megapixel rear camera, the 3505 mAh battery, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of internal storage. The difference though here is the color. It's bronze now, so it contrasts very nicely with the handset's black frame. It actually has this matte bronze finish to it, so it feels good in the hand and it still retains the same exact premium design as before. And the other new thing here is that it features dual SIM slots, so you have LTE connectivity of both, and it's going to be really useful for users who are constantly traveling around. Now, as far as availability goes, it's going to be released in select markets. It's mostly Asia, Europe, and Middle East. It's launching later in Q1. There's no word yet if it's going to come here stateside, but hey, if you like the color that much, you could always import it. So if you guys want to learn more about the BlackBerry KEYone in bronze, you could check out our website, phonearena.com. This is John B, signing off.